morning from Grandfather Farm. It's September 11th, 2025. It's about 12 after 8. I'm down here to feed these animals a little bit early, so I got to go downtown. This is the anniversary of 9/11. So you'll remember what happened to America. Never forget. Okay, I know you're hungry. You're always hungry. Getting fed early today. What are you doing, Spaz? Got everyone taken care of down here. The water and the feed. I'm gonna take the hay down the other end for the goats and Edith the pig. Alright, everyone's taken care of. It's a little chilly this morning. It's 66 degrees. So it's definitely cooling down. A lot of blue in the sky above us, but you can still see the smoke off to the west. And a few clouds